Welcome to part 5 of this mini-series about project risk, and in this video I'm going to talk about sensitivity analysis. So sensitivity analysis is a quantitative analysis technique, all right, so that means numbers, and it's best used when dealing with tasks that I'm really not sure how they would go. Okay, so in this kind of analysis, what we try to do is to answer the question, what if something happens? And then we try to measure the impact of, well, that hypothesis actually becoming a reality. So how to conduct a sensitive analysis? First, we need to create a project plan with a risk factor, and we create the plan in the sense that, okay, here's the plan with this risk and with this list at the most likely case. Then, holding all the other variables together, I vary this risk to the worst case scenario, and I create a plan for that, and I see what is the effect, and then I vary that risk to the best case scenario, to best and worst case scenario, therefore, and I create 2 extra plans. And then what I will do is, based on the magnitude of the impact that I see now on my plan, I will try to accommodate to that risk, and I will try to do something that will allow me to maybe decrease the magnitude or to take more into consideration to avoid that risk. So another good example in project management we use is called tornado diagrams, and they do look like a tornado. You have an example on the right hand side, basically what happens is this is a graphic display of the results for the sensitivity analysis, and then we order it from highest magnitude to lowest magnitude, and we try here the impact analysis. If you notice my example over here, you see that it's in terms of time, about something, the project being on time, and then I have plus 1 month, so being late, and minus month, so being early. But attention, I can also represent this x-axis in terms of cost, in terms of money. Now what we see here is that, for example, the step that gives the highest magnitude in terms of variability is vendor selection. With vendor selection here, if you notice, the magnitude is huge, and I then organize it from the highest one to the lowest one. But remember, our zero, or our middle point here, represents our nominal condition, in other words, our most likely condition. So sensitivity analyses are a great tool to determine how a risk, for example, can affect our project, and the different tools that we see here is just basically another way on managing risks that can have a huge impact on our project. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and in the meantime, I'll see you on the next video of this mini-series.